is taking over. And if you're not up to date on the top AI platforms, you might just get left behind. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the #1 AI platform out there. One that doesn't just handle images and videos, but basically everything you can think of related to AI, whether it's filmmaking, brainstorming, or building out entire creative projects from scratch. This AI platform has its own models, its own film studio, and even its own way of connecting to tools you're probably already using. So do make sure to watch to the end, or you might just get left behind. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this right here is the AI platform that we are going to be talking about. Now, some of you might already be familiar with this amazing platform, which is Higgsfield, because of its amazing generative capabilities. And yes, you're right, this isn't just an image or video generator. This is an all-in-one AI powerhouse that handles basically everything you can think of. You can look over here. It has top models such as Cadence 2.5, MCP, and even their all-new Cinema Studio 4. And the quality you get with these models is just great. I mean, just take a look at these. Some of these don't even look like AI at all. These are the amazing, high-quality generations that you get using Cadence 2.5 on the Higgsfield interface. Now, if you scroll up, you can see it has lots and lots of amazing models to test out. Like, once again, it has the all-new Cinema Studio 4, which we are going to be trying out in this video. And you can see other models like the Higgsfield plugin that's now in ChatGPT, as well as Higgsfield layers. That's to show you it's not just a one-model platform. This is genuinely one of the most complete creative suites I've come across. Everything feels like it belongs to the same ecosystem, which makes jumping between images, video, and audio feel seamless instead of clunky. Now, you might be wondering, what can I use this amazing AI platform to do? Well, this is very simple, because if you hover over here on images, you will see amazing features that you can test out, such as cinematic cameras, canvas, and many others, which is a huge time saver if you're used to jumping between 5 different apps just to finish one project. It even has AI influencers to test out. And as for the models, you can see it's not lacking in this department as well. We have Higgsfield Sol 2 and many other models. Now, in order to use this, all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, from the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing these out, and the quality you get with these is just great. I mean, just take a look at this. I generated this using ChatGPT Image 2 with a simple prompt just like this, and we got a high-quality image like this. It's wild how much detail comes through, even with a fairly basic prompt, no crazy prompt engineering required. Now we're going to be testing it out, but before we type in our prompt, let's head over and click right here on Models. You will see a wide variety of models to choose from, as well as Higgsfield Sol 2 and Higgsfield Sol Cinema. Both of these models are really great, but for this, I'm going to be going with Higgsfield Sol 2. So all you have to do is click right here, and now you can see that you have lots of presets for your generation. Whether you're going for a general style or you have a particular realistic style in mind, you can choose it right here. For example, I'll go with street photography, and you can type in a simple prompt. For example, I can say, a man standing on the street wearing cool streetwear. Just like this. You can choose the aspect ratio, which I will go with 1:1, and for the quality, you can take this to 2K quality. You can as well choose how many images you want to generate at a time. For this, I'm going to be going with 2, so we can have some options to choose from. I can even use the color transfer model. These are the amazing capabilities you have with this platform. Now, without wasting any more time, all we have to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. Now, do keep in mind that we selected street photography, so we should be expecting something that looks just like this. So do give this a couple of seconds while it generates our images for us. In no time, we have these beautiful images right here, and honestly, this did a great job. With this, you can see the quality, and everything is just on point. Honestly, this has to be one of the most realistic generators out there, because you couldn't even tell me this is AI. The lighting looks natural, the textures on the clothing hold up, And even small details like skin tone and shadow placement look believable instead of that slightly plastic look you sometimes get from AI generators. You can use this for various things, like building an online influencer with consistent characters, because if you click right here on the reference model, you can upload the image and use it to generate more images, which is just great. You also have other models you can test out. For example, we can test out C-Dream 5 Pro right here, and we're actually going to use the same prompt just to show you guys the difference between these two models. So I'm gonna go with 1:1 for the aspect ratio, leave the quality at 2K, and of course, we'll generate 2 images at a time. Now, once again, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are being generated once again. Once this is done, we will compare both generations with each other and see which one actually did best. So just give this a couple of seconds again while it generates our images for us. Now, once again, our image is done generating, and you can see this model actually did a great job, but you can't compare it with what this model did. That's the difference right here. You can see this right here feels strongly like AI, whereas with this one, you couldn't even tell it was AI. I mean, just look at it. This is a great reminder that not every model on the platform performs the same. I can turn this into a video with a click of a button, which is just great. Now that you guys know how the image generators work, let's head over to Cinema Studio right here. So all you have to do is click right here on Cinema Studio, and you'll see that this is not just a video generator. This is an all-in-one production powerhouse. You can see it has basically all the top models out there, including Seedance 2.5 for you to generate with. You can use this for a lot of things. You can even use it to create a whole film. Or look at some examples of films that were made using this model. Short films, trailers, and full narrative pieces with multiple scenes and a consistent visual style throughout. For example, I can test it out by typing in my prompt. I have this prompt, which I can just paste in right here, and do keep in mind that this can be any prompt of your choice. Now you can choose the resolution, which goes all the way up to 720 PD, which is just great. And for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with this widescreen view. You can as well take the duration all the way up to 30 seconds, which I will do, and of course, we're gonna leave the audio on. Now, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and a new project has been created, which we can click right here on, and you can see that our video is already being generated. Now, do give this a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us, and I'm really, really excited to see how well this does. Okay, in no time, our video is done generating. Let me take a look at what it generated for us. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, and it adhered to the prompt perfectly. The motion felt natural. The camera movement matched exactly what I described, and there wasn't any of that uncanny warping you sometimes get around hands or faces in AI video. You can even use this to make long-form videos that are way longer than this by using the extend feature, which works just great. So if 30 seconds isn't enough for what you're working on, you're not stuck starting over. You can keep building on the same generation and stretch it into something closer to a full scene or sequence. You have different features to choose from, like the film setup, the camera angles, as well as the lighting, which gives you full control over everything, which is just great. It's these small touches that make the whole platform feel like it was actually built by people who understand filmmaking, not just people who understand AI. They also have Higgsfield MCP, where you can link your Claude accounts, ChatGPT, and many, many other models, and use Higgsfield all within their interface, and this works really, really well. Instead of switching tabs constantly, you can trigger Higgsfield generations directly from wherever you're already working. Honestly, after spending real time testing image generation, video generation, and now Cinema Studio, It's clear this platform is built for people who actually want to create something finished, whether that's a single image, a short clip, or an entire film. The link to this AI platform will be in my bio, so do make sure to check it out.